Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to the GetResponse email marketing service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in GetResponse, you can add new contacts, set up email campaigns for them, and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Then, you need to select an action. Get Contacts, New. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login, and API key. In order to get this data, go to the Agile CRM personal account. Next, you need to copy the domain in the address bar. Please note that the domain must be copied without additional characters. Registering an Agile CRM user login. Next, you need to specify the API key. To do this, we return to the Agile CRM personal account. Now let's go to the admin settings. Now go to the Developers API section. In this section, we copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. You now see data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Select GetResponse as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Add contact. Then you need to connect your GetResponse account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to select an address for API requests. You can check with GetResponse support which email address can be used for your account. As a rule, for free and test accounts, the first address in the list is used. Next, you need to specify the API key. To get it, go to your personal GetResponse account. Then go to the Settings menu. Now to the Integrations and API section. Now go to the API tab. If you haven't created an API key yet, click Generate API Key. Give it a name. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. Next, you need to select campaign in which new contacts will be created for each new contact from Agile CRM. Now, you see the GetResponse fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Agile CRM to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. Note that you can use not only variables, but also write values manually. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to GetResponse as new contacts for each new contact from Agile CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and you will go back one step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to GetResponse. After successful sending, Go to GetResponse and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the configuration of GetResponse data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.